Limited because we've got
Scoring for the Rangers, number 5, Emily Kuykendall.
She's got oh my God, what's the girl's name again? Maribel.
pardon me?
Sandy's daughter's
Her older one? Yeah, she's getting married that
Yeah, married, and graduation's that day before, wedding's the 28th, and then they go, why don't you just hold the graduation party this Saturday? And she's like, no, this Sunday, no.
Yeah, we're going to do the party on Saturday.
But poor Monica, that sucks.
Oh, I feel so bad
Yeah.
for Monica.
That sucks. But,
You know what? Tom said, if she wanted to really play, she could wear a red shirt.
Right, that's the same thing Jack said.
Hopefully, the weather's starting to break the next week.
she'll be able to.
That red shirt and her gown.
Because Holden was here.
Is that what she decided to go?
Yeah.
She's between her
We're going to call something.
Yeah, it left before her injury. Oh,
She saw it. She was sitting right there through the whole thing.
oh, did she really? That was her?
That was her.
Oh.
The long dark hair with the glasses.
Oh, because I thought it was the gentleman that was down there at the concert. I saw him leave.
It was a woman.
Oh, wow.
She was sitting right with her parents right at
Oh, that's who that was.
her coat said her.
I didn't see her coat. But she'll still be able to. They'll
Yeah.
still take her. I guess she's gotten good scholarships from both.